Hello my friends, welcome back to Anfisio Proskey. Today in this video I got a problem which is home would like to send a critical alert. So if you just want to fix this, you have volume up, volume down and power button. So what you're gonna do, press the volume up, volume down and keep press the power button until your phone going to be turned off. And you have to do this process very fast to fix your problem. And here you can see my phone has been turned off, and we're gonna wait until your phone going to be turned on again like this. So you can see I got my iPhone back and I just removed the start mode of home would like to send a critical alert. So this is all about how to fix this problem. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.